Hello friends, welcome back to Mother Made channel. Friends, today's topic is baby jelly. Baby jelly protect your baby's skin by providing a protective barrier against wetness and preventing nappy rashes. Baby jelly is gentle, great for kids and adults too. It locks in moisture, leaving skin soft and smooth. So today we will make baby jelly in a full practical video. It is very easy to make. It's only a mixing process and we will make it in a very low cost. All the ingredients used in this baby jelly is very easily available in the market. Friends, please watch full video and don't skip in between the video in order to understand it properly. Friends, you can follow me on Instagram also. I will give the link of Instagram in the description box. Now, without wasting time, let's start. For making baby jelly, I have taken stainless steel bowl because we will heat the ingredients in the double boiler. First quantity which I have taken is beeswax. You can use paraffin wax also, but because we are making baby jelly for babies, their skin is very gentle and delicate, so I am taking beeswax. The quantity of raw materials are shown on the screen. Then I am adding petroleum jelly. After that, I am adding paraffin oil. Now I am putting this steel bowl in the container which contains water. This is called double boiler. After heating for some time, the ingredients will start melting. See, it will look like this after melting. Friends, now I am adding color in it. You can use any color of your choice. Color should be oil based. Now after melting, I have removed it from the flame, and after some time you can add fragrance in it. You can use any fragrance of your choice. So I am adding fragrance in it. Now I am filling it in a bottle. You can use any bottle of your choice. Many types of bottles are available in the market. After filling in the bottle, it will look like this. Leave it for some time to cool. After cooling, it will look like this. So, your baby jelly is ready. Friends, isn't it easy to make baby jelly? Friends, the raw materials which are used in the baby jellies which are available in the market are same which I have used in this baby jelly. I have given you the commercial formula. Friends, color is optional. If you are making baby jelly for personal use, you can skip the color because you are making baby jelly for your baby and you don't want to use any chemical for your baby. And friends, heating of raw materials on a double boiler is very important. Otherwise, all the nutrients present in the raw materials will be lost. Friends, if you have any queries, you can write down in the comment box. Friends, did you like my video? I hope it will be useful for you. If it do, please hit the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And please subscribe my channel. After pressing the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After pressing the bell icon, you will see 3 options on the screen. Please press the all button which is on the top. Pressing all button is very important. After pressing all button, you will receive notification of my new video whenever I make a new video in future. So pressing all button is very important. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.